Okay, so today we are learning how to use or how to create a comic in English in an easy and fun way. So I select this website called Make Believes Comics.com, and for my talking from my experience, I found out that the students get very motivated to do it, but because it's easy and you can do it in one session, or two if you want to do more than 3 panels, as I will explain you later, and it's fun. So first of all, we'll try to explain you how to use it. It's really easy and it's not complicated. So the first thing is to just to say that you only can choose. I mean, you see 3 panel comic strip at once, so you can do a total of 9 panels. Okay, and all the panels works in the same way. So first of all, you have to choose a character that you see on the bottom of the website. So you choose the character or wherever you want to do it, and then the next step, you select in which pose you want to do it. You select the background, and you see, once you go to the next page, you will see everything that you want to put it on. Then after that you have your idea to do your comic story. You continue, you choose the balloons that you want to type the story on the comic strip, and so on. So with that, the characters in each panel, you can choose the character, the bigger, smaller, the pose that you want to put the characters on, the backgrounds. You have several things to choose on. And for example, you see here, like the explosive, different funny things that they gets really easy to do it, and the kids love it. They create very good funny stories. They are really good creators. And then when you finish the three panels, you go next. You can print. That's the thing that you have to do it. Like when you finish, you type all the characters, all the balloons, all the story. Then you print. You can save it, email. And then, if you want to continue, if your story is more than 3 panels, and you want to create a full story, you can continue and to create the other 3 doing in the same way. So you have to do the same exact things, the same exact steps in order to create it, and the maximum is 9 panels. And after that, with my students, what I did was I cut and paste and a big poster, and I just glue it, paste it on the poster, and just hang out in the classroom, and they did oral speech in the class, and it was fun. It's a good activity. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.